Yeah, it sounds like it.
Now, I know people in my life that actually have well over $150,000 in real estate and so on and so forth, and they don't have a will or a trust.
Right.
And the thought process is, well, when one of us goes, it automatically goes to the other anyway. It doesn't matter. We don't need it.
Automatically is a big word, because let's say my wife and I own something together, like a bank account. Oftentimes, husbands and wives are together on real estate and bank accounts. One person dies, yes, that's true. The remaining spouse does get everything. But at some point, you're going to run out of people. And now you got one person on that asset. And so now what do we do? So let's say, for example, my wife and I own our house together. Let's say I pass away, okay? Men generally pass away first for some reason. So I pass away first, right? Dave, no comments. But then my wife meets somebody new. Let's call him Bill. And she and Bill get married, and she puts Bill on everything. And then my wife passes away. Guess who owns everything? Bill. My kids get nothing. This is the problem with joint ownership. Joint ownership is one of the leading reasons why people lose their wealth in this country. Remarriages, new friend, somebody you put on your account with you. Sometimes you put people on the account just because you want them to be able to pay your bills and help you out. But what you don't realize is that you've essentially given them that asset.
Right.
So automatically also is not true. I had a client who had a property in Orange County. He passed away. His wife did get that house, but she had to go through the court system to get it because it was only in his name. So yes, she eventually did get it, but it was even more complicated because he had some natural children from a previous relationship. So now the wife owns the property with those kids from the previous marriage, and they are in business together now, and they don't get along very well. So California has a plan for you, but I always tell clients, look, you take control. You say when people are going to get your stuff and how they're going to get your stuff. Don't let California dictate what happens.